Now, moving on, what is Agenda 21 of the UN? An agreement for settlement of disputes, an agreement for preventive diplomacy, an agreement for economic and cultural development, and a program of action to attain sustainable development on a global scale. So, I'll give you again a little background for because some of you might not have any idea of what is Agenda 21 is. Now, Agenda 21 was formed like 2 decades ago when a few of the nations came together and they felt that there is a need to have some goals so that all the world or all the community can reach a collective aim. Okay. So, Agenda 21 has some goals basically. For example, like having access to clean drinking water, or having access to basic medical facilities, or having access to basic health and nutrition. Okay, so um, this is the background that I gave you, and now let's try to eliminate our options. So first one is an agreement for settlement of disputes. What dispute? We are not talking about any dispute. The goals do not address any disputes, right? Now, an agreement for preventive diplomacy. No diplomacy is being addressed in these goals. An agreement for economic and cultural development, maybe, but now let's try and read the fourth one. A program of action to attain sustainable development on a global scale. So that is what our goals talk about. If all the nations around the world have access to clean drinking water or basic health and hygiene and nutrition, we would be able to attain sustainable development on a global scale. So that is what our SDG or the Agenda 21. So SDG is basically Sustainable Development Goals, and that is also known as Agenda 21 of the UN. So the answer is fourth. At what temperature the Celsius and Fahrenheit scale read the same? The answer is -40. Okay. Name of the Google search engine is derived from the mathematical word Google, which means 1 followed by 100, 0, 10 followed by 100, 0, 1000 followed by 100, 0, and 100, 0. So the answer is 1 followed by 100, 0. Hexagonal packing in honeycombs are efficient as they minimize the perimeter for a given area because of its 120-degree angles. So hexagonal shape is a shape which has 6 sides basically. So if you actually find out the angle elevation of each of them, it would come out to be 120 each. Okay. Now, which of the following multiplications will give you a palindromic number? The answer is 111 into 111, or the second statement. Now, who is considered as the father of trigonometry? Pythagoras, Aristotle, Hipparchus, and Aryabhatta. The answer is Hipparchus. Now, what is the base number in an octal number system? Now, octal number system is associated with 8 or 8 sides. Okay, so the answer is 8. Now, identify the correct sequence of events during photosynthesis: absorption of light, splitting of water molecules, starting of dark reaction, conversion of light energy into chemical energy, reduction of carbon dioxide to carbohydrates. So, again, in such questions also, you can use your elimination technique. I feel the very first step to photosynthesis would be absorption of light. So, the answer would be A. Okay. Everywhere it is A. Okay. So if we look at the answer is D, AD. Then we have conversion of light energy into chemical energy. Then we have splitting of water molecules. Then we have reduction of carbon dioxide. And then we have starting of dark reaction. Now, which of the following animals have a 4-chambered heart? The answer is crocodile,